Hi, now we'll be talking the fifth. Now today is the 5th of March, so it will be about geology. So these are some very unusual rocks, right? See here, pictures of rocks. Hmm. Yeah, so this is the Earth. So you can see in the inner core, they say is lava, very hot. Right. Outside is rock crust and all. So you can see the radioactive elements, you see. Uranium, potassium, and thorium. See, so most of the heat that we get from the core is due to this breakdown of radioactive elements. Yeah, so it's like a nuclear. So sometimes you wonder why it's like nuclear like that, okay, nuclear sense. So we got radioactive decay happening in the crust. This is, I think, where we get the Earth gets its heat. So very yeah. So you see the continent used to be like this. Africa used to be here, South America, Antarctica, Australia, India, all used to be like this. Right, so it slowly changed. So you see how the earth move, how the thing move, right? Yeah. It can move, so it move by itself, or is it because got spirits? The spirits, I think, got the power to move it. Okay. Uh yeah, so it's beyond what we can imagine, okay, cannot explain by physics, right? So you see now the diagram, you can see all the continental shifts, right? So this is some basic geology. So you see how they come up with the Earth 4.5 billion years. So they base on the radioactive decay of uranium to lead, you know so they use some they calculate lah how much is the lead present and all, right? The ratio. Yeah, they do some samples, and then they extrapolate the results to calculate the date of the Earth, right? So at least it's very old lah. So we have like mass extinctions, right? So you see, fossils is not gradual, and it's like suddenly all of them died together at the same time. 50 to 90% all died. So there are many mass extinctions throughout the history of the earth. So it's like the spirits, they create something, and then they say no, 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 let us somebody, God or the spirit, say let's destroy everything, let's redo everything or what, and they redo, right? And that's why last time you got dinosaur period, and then they got ice age and all those ice age. And so we got natural gas, like oil. So oil is actually, they say, it's algae at the sea floor, cut off from oxygen. When got no oxygen, then the what so become mud and then become petroleum. Right, got so much algae meh, right? Got so much algae that we can burn all the petrol. I don't know. Yeah, but maybe it's more than algae. Maybe it's also other animals. Okay, like when all the dinosaurs or all the fishes extinct, right? Maybe they sink to the bottom and then they become petroleum. Right. I don't think algae got so much. And then so we got the coal. Coal is also coal is peat. Peat is something like I think peat is plants like leaf, your leaf your fiber, the one. So you no oxygen, when got no oxygen it become coal, right? uh, yeah. And diamonds is what they say diamonds is formed at great depths. So it formed in the very deep, and then the something lava or what bring them up to the surface but now humans can develop, they can make diamonds, artificial diamonds, but it's not so high quality it's not so nice, right? That's why it's cheaper they use it for a lot of things like drilling, they drill rocks and all they use artificial diamonds. Yeah, but you see, but very few very rare one diamonds, it's very rare if you manage to find one big one it's yeah, it's like you millions, or you can worth millions of dollars. uh, yeah, so you can see from geology, you can see that all these things are not you can either believe that it's a coincidence or the continental shift, the mass extinctions is just an accident, right? Where we got diamonds, right? We got all the beautiful rocks, I show you all the beautiful rocks and all. You can believe all this is what random right? Or you can believe that there's some spiritual beings that created it right? Who know design, see the nice shape, see this shape, crystals they call it, right? So yeah, see the purple color. So we need to know that we are, when we study all this natural science, you know that we are yeah, we are supposed to appreciate, the world that we have. Don't destroy it, don't everyday go nuclear war, pollution, global warming and all, right? Every day we are just polluting the landfills, but we forget, look at all these millions of years to produce, right? And we just we just destroy it, right? See, white crystal also got yeah, but this is how it reflects light, how the light go there and reflect so it's yeah, it's the light and the color. Yeah, we want to see maybe this is like this is not this is not like you can create something right out of nobody can create all this even if you create in a lab also, it's not so easy, right? It's a natural process but the laws of the universe is like that. Okay, yeah, I don't know what else to say.